Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks on the ASUS Zenfone 10. So to open the Pro mode, first we have to move for the right side and go to the More modes and click on this option. And let's start from this bottom bar. At the first we can find manual focus. Oh, I just turned off. Let's go back. This second option, it's of course this focus range. There we go. In this place we can find shutter speed. We can set the shutter even for the 32 seconds. Here we can get the ISO level. In this place we've got the exposure compensation. Here we have the white balance. And when we go for the upper bar, we can find other options. There we can find this aspect ratio, flashlight, and that's the last option of the exposure compensation. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.